in this Google Sheets guide, I'm going to show you how not to filter your data manually and use the filter function instead to create an auto stock report. So what I'm talking about is that if you have a similar data to this one right here, where if let's say you run out of stock for this product, it will automatically update all of your stocks, whether that's in stock or out of stock. So for example, let's say you've sold out on all of the hams. If I put in a 0 right here, press enter, it will go to the out of stock column right here. But if we do have some stock on some cheese right here, let's say there's some 50 left, the cheese will be transported back to the in stock with a quantity of 50. So let's go ahead and do this. I have this same exact data right here, and I'm going to show you the formulas that you're going to be using to put them in the in-stock category or in the out-of-stock category. Let's get started. So for this entire example, I'm going to be using the filter function, and that's what we're going to put in right here. So that's equal sign, type in filter or select it right here. Here we have our syntax. So our range would be this one right here. So the entire list of our products will be selected, comma. Then the next part of our syntax would be our first condition. So we only have one condition for this one, where we select the quantity right here, which is in the range of C4 to C24. And if that is greater than 0, it will be listed on this category right here. Close that off, press enter. And here we have it. So we've basically transferred all the data that meet that condition of greater than 0 based on this column right here to the in-stock products right here. Now let's try and filter out the ones that are out of stocks. So we're basically doing the same formula. Start with your equal sign, type in filter. Select your range. This time we're just going to be selecting the product. We don't need the numbers because these are the ones that are equivalent to 0. So, comma. Next one would be our condition. Select that range of quantity, which is from C4 to C24. If that is equal to 0, close that off, press enter. Here we have them. So we have filtered out all of the products that are still in stock, basically the ones that still have the quantities, and also the ones that are out of stock, the ones that are equal to 0. So that's basically the formula that we have created right here in order to filter out the ones that we still have in stock and the ones that are out of stock. So again, let's say this one runs out of stock, that's 0. It will automatically be added to our out of stock list right here. So instead of manually looking at the list, figuring out which of your stocks are already out, you can use this auto stock report with the filter function right here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.